Hello, Kate's here. So another great favorite children's song is Open Shut Them, and we're going to try to sing it. As you can see, there is a link here if you want to listen to the song with music. Off you go. But I'm using my voice only because quite often we run group times, we do transitions without music. We can use music, but I prefer sometimes just to sing using my voice. Voice is a great instrument according to Carol Orff, and as teachers, educators, we have to use it more. So ready? Open, shut them, give a little clap. Open, shut them, lay them in your lap. Creep them, crawl them, right up to your chin. Open up your little mouth, but do not let them in. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them just like this. Roll them, roll them, roll them, roll them, blow a little kiss. There is another version of this song, which is pretty similar. So you sing it the way you do, but you tell children that the gestures you're gonna use gonna be the opposite. So for example, you can start with open, shut them, open, shut them, give a little clap. Open, shut them, lay them in your lap. Usually this makes them laugh. So then you can keep going. Creep them, crawl them, right up to your chin. And you can touch your toes. Open up your little mouth, but do not let them in. So that's a funny version of it. Good luck singing with children.